Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. I hope you all are enjoying your online classes and doing lots of activities that is given in your classes. So today we are going to revise the next topic from your maths book. So without wasting time, take out your maths book, keep your books, notebooks and pencil along with you while attending your online classes. So my dear students, in our earlier videos, we had studied about the numbers name. So the exercises based on numbers name is given here. So in previous page I taught you about the numbers more than 10, how to build the numbers more than 10. Now students, you have to complete this question. Write the numbers and number names. So students, here number and numbers name are given. You have to copy this and you have to also learn this. So these are the numbers and numbers name of 11 to 20. So you have to complete this. And then question number E, write the missing numbers. So students, here you have to complete the missing numbers that is given here. This is a picture of train. You have to complete the missing numbers. So students, the first number is 10. Students, what comes after 10? Yes, 11. Then 12. Then after 12, 13. After 13, 14. After 14, 15. After 15, 16. Then after 16, 17. After 17, 18. And after 18, 19. So students, you have to complete this missing numbers 10 to 19. So I hope you understood how to do this. This is very easy and simple exercise. Now students, we will study about abacus in maths. What is an abacus and what number does the abacus show? So students, look here, this is a picture of an abacus. So students, there are two spikes or rod in this abacus. So students, this is the first spike and this is the second. So students, in right spike of this abacus shows ones and the left spike shows tens. So students, let's see how to read the numbers on an abacus. Remember, the tens column is on the left and the ones column is on the right. Okay, did you get it? Students, look here. There is one bead in the tens spike. Okay, it means 10, and there are 4 beads in the right spike. That means 4. So students, this abacus show 1 10 and 4 ones. It means this abacus show the number 14. You know very well, 1 10 and 4 ones make number 14. Now students, look at your book, Numbers on an Abacus. So students, what is the uses of abacus, do you know? Yes, we use an abacus to count numbers. So students, as I taught you that an abacus has spikes for putting beads, shown in this picture. This picture, there are 2 spikes and one beads in both spike. So students, look here at first spike. It means at 10th place there is 1 bead, and in one's place there is also 1 bead. So students, here 1 10 and 1 ones, that make number 11. So students, the number shown on the abacus is 11, or the abacus show the number 11. Similarly, in next, let us show 15 on an abacus. So students, let's know how to show 15 on an abacus. So students, in first column or 10th column, there is 1 bead, it means 1 10, and in ones column there are 5 ones. So 1 10 and 5 ones make the number 15. So 15 has 1 10 and 5 ones. So did you get it? Now students, let's move on to a short exercise based on this topic. I can do it. So students, I know you can do it. Write the number shown on each abacus. So students, here you have to write the number that abacus shown here. Okay, so the first one is already done for you. In first, there is 1 bead in the 10th column. It means there is 1 10, and in ones there are 3 beads. It means there are 3 ones. So students, 1 10 and 3 ones make a number 13. Now let's do the second one. So students, in second, let's count the bead. In 10th column there is 1 bead. There is 1 bead. So students, you have to write 1 in the box. Okay, because there is 1 tenth. And then let's count how many ones are there. In ones column, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So students, there are 6 beads in the ones place or ones column. So students, 1 tenth and 6 1 makes number 16. Now similarly, in third one, let's count the beats in tens column 1 and 2. So students, here 2 tens, and in ones column there is no bead. It means there is nothing or none, and you know very well nothing means 0. So in ones place you have to write 0, and at tens place you have to write 2. So students, 2 tens and 0 ones make the number 20. Now the fourth one, at tens place there is 1 bead. It means 1 ten, and at ones place there is 2 bead. There are 2 beads. It means 2 ones. So students, the 1 tens and 2 ones make the number 12. Students, what number we will get? 12. That was great, student. Now you must be clear about how to read an abacus, and I'm sure that when you are asked, you can tell what number does the abacus show. So my dear students, you have to practice this exercise in your notebook with the help of your parents. I'm sure you will be able to tell what the number does the abacus show. So I hope you understood this topic very clearly by the help of this video. So students, in this chapter we had studied about numbers up to 10, then about 0, then making 10, building numbers. Now in today's topic I taught you about numbers on an abacus. So I hope you are enjoying the classes. Do practice. Don't forget to do all the homework assignment that is given during your live classes. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep smiling.